Okay. Now, first half, I will do practice and I will show you how we use AI tools for data analysis in R, and in other half, you will do live practice, or you can say you can do live test for R Studio. Okay, let's start. Today we start from very basic to advanced. For example, we start from graph for multiple variables. In our previous classes, we just draw a plot, bar graph or other graphs for only two variables. Now we are going to perform graph for multiple variables. Okay, for this purpose, we need a file. Import file from Excel. Open desktop and find file location. Here is my file, name ficus. After preview, press import button. Now our file is imported in global environment. Now we start. First task is graph. So please remember or write a note when you seek help from AI tools for R analysis or analysis in R, you need STR of your dataset. STR means a structure of your dataset. So type here basic function, that is STR. Select STR, and within STR type file name, that is ficus, and run this command. Now you get a table below of your files or a summary of your files, it indicating that structure of your dataset. So copy it, open ChatGPT. Within ChatGPT, type here, paste here your copy table and write a note here. I need, yeah, or you can write, I want to create bar plot on this given dataset. I need species, variable on x-axis, and other 4 variables on y-axis. Please write our script. Now you can see ChatGPT using and saying, certainly you can use ggplot2 package in R to create a bar plot for the given dataset. Here is a script that should help you create the bar plot. So, and in script he is showing that assume your data frame is named ficus, and if not, replace ficus with the actual name of your data frame. So he is showing that assume you have a data name ficus. So we already have imported file that is ficus. So copy it and paste it within R. No, our file is imported from ChatGPT to R. So copy, library ggplot2. Now it's working, and now create long form of data. So when you see different type of data, I have questions from Simons about data types. So today class I will also clear some type of data set or how we get sample data to arrange our files for a specific analysis. So today class is very important in the point of view for the data set. So no, I have created a long format. Here you can see two type of format of data set is available. In one format, you can see a simple data set which we provide to R, while in other case, if you find ficus long, no, our data is converted into long form. So when you create a bar graph or other graphs for multiple variables, you need to change your data into long form. So it is very important step. I type here when you need bar graph or other graph for multiple variables, you need to convert your file into long format. So here is a long format. You can see if here is a wide format. In our previous file, our original file was in wide format, WID wide format. But after running this script, running this code will convert our file into long format. Now this convert our data set, that is ficus, convert into long format. So you can see long format. Here is a list of variables and here is the value. So first is petal width and second is petal length. Now your data set is arranged like this. So if you see summary, in summary you can find 150 observation and 5 variables for ficus and 600 observation and 3 variables for ficus long. So in ficus longs we have a 3 columns, 3 variables, that is species, variables and values. So this script convert the name and change the table format. So if you want to change his name, their variables, you also change its name from variable to parameters or treatment. Whether you want to write here, you can change these variables name. From values, you can also change here from values, parameter, and other tools. And here he used minus species. So now we have drawn a now next code is run next code, create a bar plot. Now you can see a bar plot is created by using this ficus long data set. But if we want to improve this ficus long, no, we will further improve these things. Or if you read this script and no use reading, editing, and generating, you can apply 4 skills here. For example, we read it ggplot2 ficus long. It show that we have a file name that is in global environment ficus long. Aesthetic, as we already know, we specify the axis on x-axis species and y-axis value. So our values are filled on y-axis, and fill is equal to variable. So these colors are given to based on variables. Geom bar, stat, identity, position, dodge. So here are different positions. You just find out dodge position. If you change, if you want to change other position from, you can change from dodge to stroke or other position. Like if I want to change I say thanks. Please let me know other position instead of dodge. Certainly, instead of using the dodge position for the bar, you can try using other positions like stock or fill. Here, you can modify the script. We also modified our script. You just copy the stock word stack and copy and paste it in R. Now you can check our plot is converted into stack. No, look like this. So if we need other positions, I reply thanks. Have is there any other? Please give their names. Now you can see he gave us a lot of names which we can try. Uh, are you hearing me? Hello. Sorry, I think our class was interrupted due to low internet. Okay, no, it's okay. Please let me know. Are you hearing me and can see in my screen? Please reply me. Are you hearing me and you can see in my screen? Okay. Okay, please let me know. Are you hearing me? Okay. Now let's move to next step. I share this script in group. No, if you find I give its command. If you have any other position except dodge, please let me know. He sent me a different position that is identity. So copy this position identity. You can see here just type identity, copy it and paste it in or replace it with a stack. Copy and paste it instead of stack and run it. Now you can see it change into identity. No, look like this. Identity means similars. So if you need another plot like jitter, copy jitter and just a jitter position. Also give us a new script. So we need to this script. We also need to this script to show dodge position. We also need to this identity as for identity. So copy identity and paste it below and run this code. Now you can say it is change into identity. And if you need dodge to position, copy and paste it. Now our file is converted into jitter plot. So here is a jitter plot. Copy and share it within group. Okay. Now you can say you can change different and lot of things here. Okay. Now if we want to change its heading, that is bar plot of ficus, you need to come on the script. Check here. Here is a lab is title. So here is a title name. Is a bar plot for ficus. So you need to remove just bar plot for ficus. Just type ficus data and run it again. No, it's working. It's changed ficus data. If you want to change it, you need this title within center, or you want to remove this title, you just left it blank, remove heading title, and again run it. Okay. If you want to change the label, that is these values and species from x and y axis, you can also remove, or you can also ignore. If you remove these headings, you can't see any label. X-axis is just showing S1, S2, and S3. But if you need any value labels, for example, you can write here species name, species names, and run it. Now you can see species names type here. You can also italicize it. You can also increase or decrease its font size by using ChatGPT or other variables. If you want to use theme minimal, if you want to use facet trap, you can also do. I explain it here. I need jitter plot with facet trap by species. So run this command and check results. It's showing that you have already a data frame name ficus. And now he created a plot with the facet wrap, copied and paste it and run this command. Now you can say our plot is converted into facet trap position with jitter plot. Now it's look like this. Okay. If you want to change its label, title, anything you want to change. If you want to change its theme, you can also change. I need, for example, I need here minimal. You need here line drew. Type here line drew and run it. Okay. Now you can see our script. Sorry, our plot is have changed its theme. Now you can see here is line drew plots with dark black headings with heading box and other things are dark lines look like this. But if you want your need you want to change its background color, you can also change. If you want to disappear these lines, you can also disappear. So and again type here thanks, but I need him line drew. Line drew and the lines of theme line drew remove. Now he give us a plot without lines and change or few after a few additions he give us a new script. Now it's working. Okay, so ChatGPT gave us a new script with according to our instructions with theme minimal to line drew. So if you can, here is a minimal, but he gave us a minimal theme again. No, I say him again. Please, I need line view theme and run it. I think internet is slow in my case or in my side. So please, okay. Now I give you assignment. Hope you will understand what I am going to start, or what I have teach you. Okay, I am now sharing script in group. Okay, no, please ignore for sometimes the script and follow my instruction, and do plot and share in group. No, your first question, please draw heat map by using AI and R. Okay, you have 5 minutes for this. After 5 minutes, I allot you our next assignment. Please, all participants, 6 participants have joined. All 6 participants make a heat map with dendrogram. Heat map with dendrogram by using AI tool and R, and share it within group. For this, you have 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I give you a next task. Please draw it and share it within group. So I am waiting for your reply or your message. There is no need for long format, but if you need a long format from your original file, you just run this script. Your file is converted into long format. So he created a file for us. Now copy it and paste it here. And run one by one. We need a library scatterplot 3D. So for this, we need first a package that is scatterplot 3D. I already have scatterplot 3D. You need to install this package, scatterplot 3D. Now next is I was also working. It's showing that some mistakes, error in plot XY, type XY, invalid color name. So here is the color names are invalid because so add labels. It also showing that could not find the function text 3D. So here we also need another package name, that is, you can see he created a plot but not draw a data. If you use another package or search from Google for 3D PCA in, if you unable to help from or proper your answer, you need to help from Google. Type in Google 3D PCA plot in R and search it. You can see a 3D plot, PCA plot here. Here is a plotly. You need to a package plotly, so it is a best option. Here we learn another way how to involve three things, that is website, R and ChatGPT. In our previous script, here we use only two tools, that is ChatGPT and R. But now in our next step we are going to use three tools, that is ChatGPT, website and R. So open website. Here you can see different type of information and plot. So you need this type of the plot. So for this, here is a plotly. You give its instruction, visualize PCA with scattered 3D, copy this script, copy this complete script, copy and paste it in ChatGPT. It is a very important point. Please listen carefully. Copy this script here. Here we are using three tools, that is ChatGPT, website and R. So tell him, here is a sample script. I need similar analysis on ficus file and want to draw similar 3D plot on above given str of dataset. So on file, here is not ficus file, str of ficus file. Str of ficus file is given here. Str is given here. I give it above, but here is below. Okay, copy here str. Here is its str result. Copy str. And paste it within chat and run it. No, he used three tools, that is ChatGPT, website and R. And ChatGPT write a script according to the script written by website author and do addition this code and provide us on our own dataset, which I provided as str of ficus. Here he modify our script. Here you don't need to addition. He also edit our script according to above given script. In above given script, he use iris dataset, but in this script, he is using our dataset, that is ficus. So copy the script and using a package plotly. Copy and paste it here. No. Assuming your data frame is named as ficus, it's okay. Our data file name is ficus. So plotly is run. Now PCA. If you don't have Plotly, you need to first install Plotly. It's also working. It's also working. 1, 2, working. Okay, its script is not completed. Show the plot. Okay. And next run is fig. No, you can see 3D plot created by using Plotly function, and here you can do it date, modify, resume, and so on. Because here is a Plotly tool involved for 3D functions, you can select point or zoom it anywhere and want to uh, check your results, you can increase or decrease its size. So this is a tool Plotly which provides you an extra visualization power. So copy it, right click on, or you can take its picture or image or download plot. Here is a camera button, click on it. It will take its picture and save it in your desktop. Copy this picture and share it within group. So I save it within the desktop. Here is. So copy it and share it in group. Sorry. Now you can see a 3D plot have been created and shared in group. Now you also do practice on this data set, and your next task is also use different files of your own data set and run this type of analysis by using Plotly. You can also rotate it anywhere, 3D directions. You can see here is direction is, you can rotate it anywhere in, and where its look is good, and you can save it or take its image. So it's showing its 3D visualization of. It is very important when you are going to presentation. It show a good look in present in your presentation or PPT. Okay, thanks. Hope you have get this, and I'm going to share this script, complete script within WhatsApp group. So do practice, and also you involve 3 tools: ChatGPT, website, and R. Okay, thanks. Allah Hafiz.